Hey everybody, this is Derek with IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to go over how to make money blogging on WordPress. And not only WordPress, I mean you can use this for other blogging platforms, but really we're going to give you the best sources to make money once you get your blog set up and you start blogging. If you stay to the end, we're going to review the top 3 ways to make money blogging, the 3 ways that will make you the most money. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to jump over. So, obviously to make money blogging, you're going to have to get a WordPress website or some kind of website up and running. So the first thing you want to do, I brought up Namecheap. You need to get a domain name, okay? So you can go to Namecheap. That's where I get my domain names. And then the next thing you want to do is you got to get hosting. And you got to set up your hosts, especially if you're doing a WordPress website. I use DreamHost, use it for all my websites. I've used other ones. I've used HostGator, Hostinger, a couple other ones. I find DreamHost to be really fast, good uptimes, cost effective. So this is the one I use. You can use the WordPress Basic to set up your site and then install WordPress. They help you through it. They got good support team. I've always had good times with them. Had some trouble with a website this last weekend. Got on with them in 5 minutes. We figured it out and got it fixed. And then the next thing is you're going to have to really pick a niche. And picking a niche is really tricky, right? I mean, most people just go out and they're like, hey, I like doing this, so I'm just going to pick this niche, not doing any research, how difficult it is to get in a niche, how long it'll take. Some of these niches, if you look here, I pulled up this huge list of all these different niches. Health and sports, niche are really tough. Weightlifting, yoga, fitness, esports, losing weight. I mean, come on, that is tough. It is just tough to get into that kind of niche. So you got to be careful what niche you pick. There's lifestyle niches like pregnancy. That's another tough one. Traveling niche. And not to say you can't do these. It's just when you pick a bigger niche with a lot of people in it, like losing weight, dating, it's very, very competitive. So if you're going to build an authority site, it's just going to take longer and you won't see a lot of money or the fruits of your labor for a while. But you can niche down and pick a smaller niche and do something like, instead of online dating, you can niche down to Christian dating and just do a blog on Christian dating. A lot easier. Still would take some time because that's a competitive niche, but it would be easier to get ranked for that than to make some affiliate money or whatever you're doing, ads or whatever. So you can look online. There's food blogs. You can do financing. There's just fashion and beauty. There's just so many niches you can go into. You got to really do your homework. Now, once you come up with brainstorming, come up with a few different niches, then what you want to do is you want to do some keyword research and see how tough it is. Now, you can do SEMrush, and this is the one we recommend, but I really recommend it if you're really seasoned at starting websites and building up websites and making money with them, because it's expensive. Like, this isn't really cheap at all. And so it'll give you the keywords you need in the niche, and it'll do a lot of research for you and help you get through it. But like I said, it's kind of expensive. I think if we look at the pricing here, it's like $100 a month, 119. It's just expensive. What I recommend is if you come over, you just use Google for your keyword research. So let's say you wanted to do Christian dating. Then you hit it. And basically what you do is see how it tells you what the keywords are people are looking for? People are looking for Christian mingle. That's a dating site for Christian. They're looking for Christian dating sites, top Christian dating sites, best free Christian dating sites. So see how this gives you the keywords that you're looking for that you can use on your website and write blog posts about this. The other thing is you can do the alphabet. You can go Christian dating A. Okay. And then you can go Christian dating B. Christian dating. See, and it gives you all these different string of text or words, keywords, long tail keywords that you can use. The other thing you can do is you can actually go down to the bottom, and Google always gives you, hey, searches related to Christian dating. Boom, there it is. I mean, come on. These are the keywords that you want to go after. Every keyword you put into here will update the bottom of this with different new ones. And you just build up a huge list of different things you can write about. If you want to know how competitive they are, that's when you have to buy Ahrefs or SEMrush. You've got to use a keyword tool where they kind of show you what it is. Now what you can do is Ahrefs or SEMrush, a lot of these you can try it for free for a couple days. Put all the keywords you find in there, pull up all the different things from all the different niches that you're looking at, and just see how competitive the keywords are, and see if you can find some keywords that you can rank for in Google. That's my suggestion to help you out. Now, the other thing is, you need to, when you build your WordPress website, you want to get your SEO in order so that your articles, will go to the top of Google. You got to write really good articles. Then hopefully Google ranks you. And then you've got to do SEO, search engine optimization. Make sure your website, your articles all have the best different attributes that Google's looking for to rank you. And Yoast is a plugin that you can put in WordPress that helps you make sure that when you write an article, that you have everything green so that Google says, hey, this is a good article, it's SEO optimized, and hopefully you can get ranked if you can beat the competition. So now let's get into the monetization. How to make money blogging. I mean, this is where you really want to go, right? First thing is you can sell your own physical products, create a product or whatever. That's rough. I mean, that's kind of tough to do, but it is one way to do it. Create your own product and then sell it online. But there's some easier ways to do this, especially with just blogging, right? Ads. So if you look here on Pontoonopedia, they have an ad right here. So this is a Google AdSense ad, or different ad networks are out there that you can use. And when people click on this, they get a little piece of the money from the advertisers, right? Now, the other thing you want to do is you can look at selling eBooks. So you can create your own ebook. If you look at Dirt Bike Planet, if you scroll down right here, they have their own Dirt Bike Planet Garage Manual. So if you click on that, you'll go to it and then you can buy it from them. So if you scroll down, hit buy now, and I think it's $14.95. Now the good thing about ebooks is once you create an ebook, let's say it's a really good ebook, which is what you want to do, not create a really junky ebook that people will want their money back. Then when they buy this for $14.95, that's pure profit. I mean, they get pure profit from this $14.95. They don't. That's the beauty about writing an ebook. It can make you money over and over and over. Okay. So the other thing is on these different websites like Pontoonopedia, and Dirt Bike Planet, you can sell guest posts. So see down here they have the latest blog posts for their website. Right here, like how to clean a boat canopy. Somebody may contact you that's in the boating industry or boating niche, or maybe they run a kayak or something, and they want to write they want to write how to clean a boat canopy. Now this one's already written, but let's say this one hadn't been written. So they'll write this for you, and then Pontoonopedia can say, all right, we're going to charge you $50 to put that on our website, and we'll have a link back to your website saying that you wrote this, and that's a guest post. So you can make money for guest posts. You can sell sponsored posts, kind of similar thing, where they sponsor posts and you put a link back to them. So they get a backlink for that. Google frowns on that, but most of these sites do that. But it's another way to make money on your site. The other one is you can accept donations. So a lot of these review sites don't do that, but a lot of not-for-profits, they'll ask for accepting donations. So you can put that on your site. You can also do a members only. So this website here, they give you the free training. I've used Authority Hacker before. I signed up for their training. It's really incredible. And what they do is they offer free training, but then along the lines, they'll come to you and say, hey, I know you've got this free training, but we have a course and a membership, and you sign up for a membership, you get access to all this free training, advanced training on how to build websites and how to make them profitable. So you'll find all these Authority Hacker, all the different sites we have, they'll be listed for you in the description, and you can click on those and go visit them and check them out if you want. Now, the other thing is grow your email list, right? So if you look here, boom, I go to the Mind Health Coach, and they want me to put my email in. And they'll get inspiration, how-tos, and helpful content delivered to your inbox. This is one of the best ways to make money, right? So it is just a really good way. The more emails you get from people, the more you can market to them. Then the more you market to them and send them the autoresponder emails that you've set up, the more they feel comfortable with you. And down the road, when they need your services or they need something, they say, oh man, the Mind Health Coach, they always send me that. I need some sessions, on coaching. And so I'll sign up for their program. And you're always in front of them because you're sending them emails monthly, giving them tips and tricks, and then all of a sudden you'll throw in an offer. Hey, if you want some mind coach help, sign up today. It's 25% off since you've been a great subscriber of ours. And boom, you start selling. The other thing is, you look at these sites. Here's one where they just have you sign up for a newsletter, right? They don't have a pop-up. But if you look, look at all this. 4.8 million likes on Facebook, 532,000 followers, and 1.7 million subscribers on YouTube for Dr. Axe. He's a health and nutrition website. Incredible amount of people go to this. They probably sign up for the newsletter, and they send them emails and let them know what's going on. Now, what I wanted to do is go over the final best ways to make money. So this is where most affiliates really make the most of their money. So we'll go back to Pontoonopedia. And, this website makes money on reviews, right? So if you look at these beginner guides, how-to guides, tips and advice, and then recommended gear, right? So what they want to do is when they do recommended gear, they got all these different things they recommend, like best towable tubes. So if you own a boat and you want to find out which tube's the best one to use, you could come to this and it would recommend it. And then as you're scrolling through it, this is affiliate marketing, there'll be a link, hey, where to buy. You can buy this on Amazon. When you click on this to go buy it on Amazon, there's a code attached to this with that website. And if I buy this, they get a percentage of what was bought. Okay, so $343. If I buy this, that website will get a portion of that. It's anywhere in Amazon from 1 to, I think, 8% or 9%. These are probably a little cheaper, probably 3 or 4% is what they get off the price. So affiliate marketing, you can use Amazon like these guys do, or you can go and find out other affiliate programs from other affiliate vendors. Like say you're selling a paddleboard, and that paddleboard company that manufactures and sells that, and they sell it on Amazon, you could go directly to them, sign up for their affiliate program direct, and they give you 10-15% commission, not 3% that Amazon gives you. And so you can really make some good money doing affiliate programs online. Now, the number one way to make money is something we had mentioned earlier. These guys sell a membership, but it's an eCourse, and you get access through a membership. So Authority Hacker, a lot of companies do this, where to gain access to the course, you sign up for their course, and then see right here, it says courses. And then this premium training comes at a cost. So when you sign up for it, well, you have to do an email, but they're very picky on who they bring into their courses. But once you sign up for their course, it's pure profit for them. They make the course once, update it every 3, 6, 12 months, whenever they need to update the information. And then you get the great training that they provide, and you make a little bit of money off the commission, and they make a ton of money. So if I'm an affiliate for these guys, I make money. But the courses, so I can be an affiliate for these guys and make money off their course. So they pay me, they'll pay you pretty good for it. But their course, and they charge $500, I think, is for the first course. They have a couple different ones, an even more advanced one. I think it's like a couple thousand. But for $500, you can buy this course. It goes through step by step, detail after detail on how to set up a website and how to make money off of it. But this way and the affiliate way is the number 1 and 2 way to make money when you start a blog and a WordPress blog. And it doesn't have to be WordPress, but a lot of people online use WordPress to build their blogs. And like I said, starting your own eCourse or membership site and doing affiliate marketing where you pitch other products on your website, you review them, pitch them, people buy them, you make money.